How to create an engaging event and networking experience. I am your AI avatar, ready to showcase the key features and functionalities of myOnvent. In this video tutorial, you will be introduced to the following myOnvent features: announcements, email campaigns, networking, and matching. The announcements functionality will allow you to catch all users' attention immediately. To create an announcement, head to the Communications tab of your organizer dashboard. Under Announcements in the sidebar, click on the Create Announcement button and enter the required details. Once you click Create, you'll be taken to your Announcements control panel. This is where you can activate an announcement by clicking the icon to run. A good way to get in touch with your attendees is by using our Email Campaigns functionality. This feature allows you to email any group you choose. Head to the Communications tab of your organizer dashboard, and you'll start in the Email Campaigns section of the sidebar. Click on Add Campaign at the top right, and you can now set up the email. At the bottom of this new campaign, you can choose the audience you'd like to address with this email. If you would like to create a custom audience, click on the Add Audience button to be taken to your new audience page. Select the users you'd like to include using the checkbox on the right. To send the campaign email, simply press the Send icon under the Actions menu. Now let's take a look into Networking segment. Each registered user can find other registered participants in the lobby under Networking section. Head to this tab and click the chat icon next to the user. One-on-one chat will open and you can send direct messages. From this window you can also set up group chats by clicking the new chat icon. As an organizer, you want your participants and exhibitors to make the most of your event. Matching provides users with recommendations of people to connect with on the basis of similar or complementary interests. To set up matching for your event, go to the Setup tab of your organizer dashboard and choose Matching from the sidebar. Set up a questionnaire to determine the type of connections that will be most relevant to your users. For each question, you can allow the selection of a single answer or of multiple answers under the Question Type drop-down. These simple questions look for similarities between participants, connecting those with the same answers, for instance matching individuals in the same industry, such as accountants matching with one another. If you would like to go further in your matching, and connect participants on the basis of complementary interests, you can enable the advanced toggle on any question. Once the questionnaire is ready, you can enable the matching functionality by going back to the top of the page and enabling the toggle on the top right corner. The matching banner will immediately appear for all users in the lobby and under the Networking tab. Once a user has filled out their questionnaire, their high and medium matches can be found under Networking section at any time. Thank you for your attention. We hope this tutorial has empowered you to create engaging and memorable events. We invite you to check out our further video tutorials or in-depth PDF documentation. For any further questions, please get in touch with us via email at contact@myonvent.com.